Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. I hope all the students of O level 4 are fine. This video is for class O level 4. Class O level 4. Subject is Islamic Studies. Lecture is lecture 6. Lecture number 6. In this video we are going to do the exercise of chapter Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. Chapter name is chapter Hazrat. The chapter name is Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. Now please open your copies. First of all, we are going to do the question answers. There are basically 5 question and answers in the activity A. In the activity A there are 5 question answers. So first of all, write on the top of your page, the center, this is activity. What's the activity is? What's the activity A? Activity A is just wait. Activity A. Answer the following questions. Okay. Question number one is where was Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam? Where was Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam born? Where was Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam born? The answer of this question is Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam was born in Mesopotamia, a land now called Iraq. So write the answer is Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam was born in Mesopotamia, a land now called Iraq. Question number 2 is what did Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam tell his people? To teach them that there is none worthy of worship besides Allah. first of all we should know what's the meaning of the question is. The meaning of the question is that कि हज़रत इब्राहीम अलैहिस्सलाम ने अपने लोगों से क्या कहा, उन्हें सिखाने के लिए उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्हें सिखाने के लिए उन्होंने क्या किया ताकि लोगों को ये समझ आ सके कि इबादत के लायक सिर्फ अल्लाह हैं. The answer is that once upon a time Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam addressed once upon a time Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam addressed the star, moon and sun in front of his people to teach them that there is none worthy of worship besides Allah. What's the meaning of the answer is? एक दफ़ा की बात है, हज़रत इब्राहीम अलैहिस्सलाम ने खिताब किया, हज़रत इब्राहीम अलैहिस्सलाम ने पुकारा किसको? सितारों को, चांद को और सूरज को अपने लोगों के सामने, टू टीच देम, ताकि उन्हें ये बता सकें कि अल्लाह के सिवा कोई भी माबूद नहीं है. इसको लिख लीजिए फटाफट से. So my dear students, third question is, what did Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam do to show uselessness of idols to their people? The translation of this question is, हज़रत इब्राहीम अलैहिस्सलाम ने क्या किया था, ये बताने के लिए कि ये जो बुत हैं ये किसी काम के नहीं हैं. और हमने ये बात बुक में पढ़ी थी कि इसका जवाब आप बुक नंबर 3 में पढ़ चुके हैं. हमने ये बात बुक में पढ़ ली थी कि इसका जवाब हम बुक नंबर 3 में पढ़ चुके हैं. तो इसका जवाब बुक नंबर, इसका बहुत ही जो इसका सिंपल सा आंसर है वो मैं आपको लिखवा देता हूँ. हज़रत इब्राहीम अलैहिस्सलाम broke all the small idols and put the hammer on the shoulder of a big idol. Put the shoulder of big idol and told his people that if these idols were the truly God, then they can save their lives from the big one. इस जवाब से हमें इस बात समझ में आ रही है कि हज़रत इब्राहिम अलैहिस्सलाम ने तमाम छोटे बुतों को तोड़ा और जो हथौड़ी थी जिसे उन्होंने तोड़ा था वो बड़े बुत पे रख दिया। और लोगों का अगर ये वाकई में खुदा होते तो ये अपनी हिफाजत नहीं कर लेते। इससे ये बात समझ में आई कि भाई छोटे जो बुत हैं वो तो बुत तो कोई खुदा है ही नहीं, अगर वो होते तो अपनी हिफाजत कर लेते। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 is, now I am giving you 2 minutes time for 2 minutes for copy down these 3 questions. After that I am going to write the remaining answers. Okay, complete these answers first of all. The fourth question is, where did Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam and his wife migrate? The answer is, Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam and his wife migrated to Palestine. And question number 5 is, what is Zamzam? My dear students, first of all write question number 4, copy down. After 1 minute inshallah I will write the answer of question number 5. Okay, this time is I am giving you the time just to copy down all the questions, so please copy down all the questions with the video. Do not put them all the question answers that after video you should write it. No, My instructions to you is that please copy down all the question answers with this video. ये वीडियो चलती रहे, इसके साथ साथ ही आप तमाम सवालात और जवाबात लिखें. ऐसा ना हो कि भाई वीडियो को आप आगे बढ़ा दें. नहीं भाई नहीं, साथ साथ लिखें ताकि वीडियो के साथ साथ ही आपका काम मुकम्मल हो जाए. Answer is the spring water found in Makkah. The spring water found in Makkah is called Zamzam. The spring water found in Makkah is called Zamzam. This is the answer of question number 5. Now please copy down the answer of question number 5 immediately. After that we are going to solve the another exercise. The next exercise is exercise B. Exercise B. Choose the correct word to fill in the blanks. Words are the words are clay, stone, peace, Safa, Marwa. Okay. So now the blank number 1 is, I am just going to write only the word of blank, not complete blank, but you should copy down the full blank in your copy. आप पूरी blank लिखेंगे कॉपी में, ठीक है. मैं यहाँ पे सिर्फ आंसर लिख रहा हूँ. I am writing only the answers of the blank, but in your copy you should write the complete one. Okay, understand what I am saying to you? There are only 3 blanks, so you should write all the 3 blanks completely in your copy. Okay, the answer of the one is, in their places of worship there were idols made of. उनकी जो इबादत की जगह थी वहां बुत रखे हुए थे. जो बुत बने हुए थे किसके? नंबर फर्स्ट ब्लैंक इज clay, and stone. Okay. Number 2 is, the people, especially the dash who served the idols, became angry by the preaching of Hazrat Ibrahim. Hazrat Ibrahim जब दावत दे रहे थे दीन की, तो सबसे ज्यादा गुस्सा कौन था? सबसे ज्यादा गुस्सा थे प्रीस्ट मीन्स राहिब, जो वो बुतों के पुजारी थे ना, जो जहाँ पे बुत कदा था, जहाँ पे बुत रखे होते थे, वहां का जो संभालने वाला होता था. तो वो लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पे. सो द आंसर इज priest. The answer of third one is Hazrat Hajra alayhi salam climbed the hill of dash and ran to another hill dash to search water. It's Safa and Marwa. Safa and Marwa. So the both blank is Safa and the another is Marwa. Okay. So my dear students, this video is going to be end, and in this video I taught you the 5 answers of the 5 questions of activity A, and the activity B is fill in the blank. So it's request to you that please copy down all the questions and answers in your copy and learn them, and do practice of these questions is another copy, so that you can know about how much you learn the question and answers. And inshallah, when the school will open again, I'll take a test of these chapters to whom I teach you in the videos. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu.